Yep, I know what you came for. You came to make these smothered sausage and potatoes in this dump and go slow cooker, didn't you? Yep, let's get into it, baby. Maybe one more for the camera, maybe one more. Mm. All right, here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some paprika, some garlic powder, some minced garlic, some powdered chicken bouillon, one whole onion, onion powder, 2 packages of sausage. I'm using beef, a half stick of butter, and 2 whole potatoes. And you can cut this recipe in half if you're the only one eating it, or you can keep it whole and you can still have some for later. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna start off by dicing our potatoes up. And now keep in mind, don't make them too small because they can turn into mashed potatoes if you let them cook too long when they that small. You see how small I'm going to make mine? I'm basically going to make mine about the size of a die. I'm cutting mine into about 1/2 inch thick circles, and then that circle I'm going to cut into 4 pieces. All right, now check it out. There's a method to my madness. We could have mixed this up in a crock pot, but you don't want to do that. You want to cook it in layers, and I'll show you what I'm talking about once we get there. But mix your potatoes and your seasoning up in a separate bowl. And folks, I will list all ingredients down in the description. This is the onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and my chicken bouillon. And now shake it up, mix it up. Just don't do it in your crock pot, and you'll see why here in a moment. All right, now let's get our onion diced up. And the size you want is pretty much a preference thing, but you'll see the size I make mine by the cuts I make. And now let's cut our sausage. Now the size that you cut your sausage is a preference thing too, but I like to cut my sausage about a 1/2 inch thick. All right, now set those aside and let's put this together. Now, folks, you want to cook your sausage from on the bottom. You want it to cook from the bottom up. And you can't do this if you put everything in here and try to mix it. That's why I said put your potatoes in something else, mix that first, because we're going to have this cooked from the bottom up. Next, we're going to put our onions on top of our sausage. Now, keep in mind, all this steam is going to flow right through our onions. And then guess what? You know what's next, right? That steam is also going to flow through our potatoes. We'll put a little bit more garlic in here. We already gave our potatoes some onion and garlic seasoning, right? But now we got the real deal here on the bottom. And all this flavor and everything coming from the real veggies is going to just steam up to our potatoes, making this whole meal just scrumptious. But we're not adding any liquid to this, folks. What we're going to do here, we're going to add butter. A lot of people add liquid chicken bouillon, but that winds up making a dish too soggy. We're going to use butter. That's why we use bouillon seasoning when we did our potatoes earlier. And everything's going to come just together. You're going to see. And this butter is going to act as a liquid here at the bottom, just as if we was doing it in the skillet with oil. Now we're going to add our potatoes to the top of this. And like I said, this is going to cook from the bottom up, folks. And we're not going to mess with this at all until it's finished cooking. Just trust the process. Go ahead and top her up, because now it's time to set it and forget it. We will be cooking on high for the next 4 hours. And I will see you back here in the next 4 hours, guys. And now 4 hours later, go ahead and give it a nice stir. So the potatoes, instead of just the steam, it can soak up some of that nice, good, buttery juice and juices from that sausage. Everything comes together. Be sure to turn your crock pot on keep warm, or you can turn it off however you want, but give it this stir. This is your first stir. And you know me, folks, I got to have that taste. Perfection. So simple and amazing. Guys, like, share, comment. You know what to do. Peace. I'm going in for some more of this. Ooh, it's so hot though.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. I drop videos once a week. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know what to do.